sign into your ArcherReview dashboard, go over to your left-hand panel and click on your Qbank. Now you'll click on Create Test. Next, you have to choose the Qbank mode. Just select the box that says Readiness Assessment. Everything else will be defaulted for you. Mixed means you'll be getting the right selection of classic and NGN questions. The organization defaults to subject or system, meaning it'll be broken down by the cardiovascular and respiratory system. But if you want to see it by test plan area, like basic care and comfort or safety and infection control, you can choose client need areas to see it broken down like the NCSBN test plan. Lastly, it's going to default to unused questions. You don't want to see repeats on a readiness assessment. Click Create Test. Your test is generated and you'll start taking questions.